absolutely amazing.
I can't believe that! Oh,
It's brand spanking new!
oh my God! This is like a showroom.
Surprise! Oh, this is crazy.
Oh my God.
Abby's been diagnosed with cerebral palsy, I would say at the age of 3.
We have to carry her everywhere.
I had to makeshift a bed for her, so we have to lift her up over the thing.
It's difficult. It's very difficult.
You ready? This is to save Mom and Dad's back and just make your life a little bit easier.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you got yourself remote control.
Good job,
Look
Abby.
at you go! Woo! We don't even need to go inside, do it. We're just gonna ride this chairlift for today. Are you driving? Who's driving? Hey!
Let's go inside.
You ready to go inside, kids?
Let's go inside.
You ready to go inside, Amy?
Yes, I'm
Greg?
ready.
Yeah!
All right, welcome home.
Oh, my God. Abby, look at
Oh my gosh!
Oh, my God.
My.
You guys did such an amazing job.
Whose house is this?
George, thank you so much, man. Thank you, the whole crew, everybody. God.
It's so like grown up.
It is grown up. Holy cow. They took the whole nook out. Remember the...
Oh, yeah.
How'd you guys support that?
Oh, yeah. That's you have to watch the show for that
That
one.
must have been a monster job.
Oh, yeah, I thought I was going to die.
I know, baby. We're gonna look, okay?
What do you want to see? You want to see your room? What makes you think I did anything in your room? Ready? You want to see your room, my little princess?
Oh my god!
Oh my.
It says Princess Anne.
Oh, my God. Unbelievable. Holy... Abby, look at this.
Look at your
They got a big girl bed.
And
Isn't
this
that so
comes
pretty?
up.
That's to save Mom and Dad's back. Denise is a selfless single mother who adopted her son Joey in 2010. Because of Joey's unique developmental needs, some parts of his house can be considered hazardous, namely his backyard. Hey, Mr. Joey, what's up, buddy? How you doing?
Good.
Yeah?
I don't know how.
Whose house is this?
My house.
It's right, it's your house. Let's do this. So Denise,
ready?
I just let Joey in on a little secret.
Okay.
You just get up there and take care of Joey's room. We also did your room.
Oh my God.
And Joey and I decided that we want to show you your room first.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Oh my God. Walking into my bedroom for the very first time, the first thing I saw was a chandelier, which was beyond beautiful. No way! Oh my God! There's no way! And then the walk-in closet. That part of the room I can't even process right now. I can't believe that! Oh!
It's brand spanking new!
I was relaxed. I felt the space was so calming and the colors. I can't believe it. It's beautiful. It was more beautiful than I imagined. Oh my God! Look at the mat chairs, Joe! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Have at it, Joe.
Beautiful! Joseph, look at this!
Alex is a former high school athlete and has had a long-time passion for my favorite sport, skiing. Several months ago, Alex was enjoying a day on the slopes when his parents received a chilling call that he'd been in a terrible accident.
Walking into the room and seeing my son injured, so bruised and laying there with tubes is something that you never want to see in your life.
I woke up and I was in a hospital. At first I realized I had my hands and my fingers, but then I kind of knew something was off because I didn't have my normal feeling. And that's when the doctor informed me that I was paralyzed from my chest down.
His reaction was, so what? I'll deal. That was true Alex.
Since the accident, Alex's loved ones have been by his side. But now that he's wheelchair bound, he needs a home that gives him the independence he requires. All right, you ready, buddy?
Yeah, let's do it.
Welcome home.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
So modern and nice.
Can I tell you how fresh and alive this is?
I am in awe of what has been done for Alex. It is beyond our wildest dreams.
Oh,
Whoa. Wow, this is absolutely amazing.
Oh my God! Oh my
Oh my goodness.
wow.
You guys just incorporated everything that I love inside the perfect room. It's swag, and I'm all about swag. Wow.
Oh my God.
So beautiful.
It's such a difficult situation when you have a child who is going through such pain. And to see him uplifted by this team of people, it's just, there are no words.
I was diagnosed in February of 2015 with breast cancer. It was right after my 40th birthday. I was the healthiest I've ever been in my life, and then boom.
Honestly, I didn't even know how to deal with it. It's like you're back against the wall, and it was very, very difficult. It was. And she pulled through. She's a trooper. It didn't stop her.
Raquel has been through so much, yet she continues to put others first. And because of that, her home office has taken a back seat. I want to help her with her life-changing work by creating a very special space for the whole family. Welcome home.
Thank you.
We're all living through this storm, and I felt like you guys, your home needs to be the eye. It needs to be that calm while the craziness goes around you. Without further ado, you want to see what we did?
Ready?
Yes.
All right, follow me.
Oh, what is happening to my life?
Walking into the house, it was like walking into my heart.
George! Oh my God. I'm
Thank you.
speechless. I have to tell you, I'm speechless. I'm never speechless.
You're never speechless. You're just getting
have
started.
no
You're just getting started. All right, keep on going. Keep on going. We'll save the dessert for last.
Oh my God!
Oh, wow.
Oh my God! Oh wow!
Look at the chandelier. Chandelier you always want.
Well, we want to add a little
Oh
glam, you know?
my
She's the only girl in a house full of boys, you know? We knew you needed more storage, so we wanted to give you more built-in. So there's organization galore.
Whose house is this, George? God.
It's your house. Shall we?
Yes!
Surprise! Oh, this is crazy.
Oh my God! Oh my God! This.
This is not the same room.
Oh my.
And truly a throne for a queen.
Look how pretty.
We provide safe spaces for women every single day. And this is now gonna be my safe space where I can reflect on the work that I do, but also purpose every minute of my day in a guided way where I can continue to make the impact that I do. Be your own kind of beautiful.
Today I'm off to Spark Elementary. This school strives to give each student a personal, meaningful, and inspiring educational experience. It has become a haven for creative children and those with sensitive and special needs. The fact is, Spark Elementary needs our help. They're not big enough to support students after 5th grade. And if we can just figure out a way to maximize the potential in that building, then we can really make an impact on their education for generations to come.
Sure.
So are you ready?
Thank you. Yes, thank you so
Let's
much.
do this.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Look, a scoreboard. Look at these leveled books. Oh my God, look how beautiful. Oh my, look at Belle. Oh my gosh. I never expected it to be this incredible. Oh my gosh, this, so you could do word work on here. This is my dream come true. Oh my gosh! Look at these sheets. Oh my gosh, Marianne. Look at this. Marianne, they hung up plants in here.
little succulent baby!
The design was so beautiful, and to have all those special seatings and different flexible seating for the kids.
There was detail there.
Well, how could it get any better than this? I don't know. Can it get any better? I don't know. Oh my God. Oh my God, Marianne, no.
Wow!
Oh gosh, look at this. Oh my God,
This is gorgeous.
Oh my, look at the swings, Mia.
Every room I walked in, I kind of had a feeling of this is beautiful and inspiring. But it wasn't until I got to the third room that it really came together for me. This is
Marianne, this is incredible. They are gonna love this. Oh my, I can't wait to see their expressions.
Amazing.
Tiana has shown a lifelong passion for helping others and has worked as a dedicated nurse for 11 years.
When I saw what was going on, just from my eyes, from the other side, how hard the nurses were working, how tired they were, I really felt like they really needed more from us.
Tiana started the Long Island Nurses Facebook group in order to provide important resources, community, and comfort to other nursing professionals. And the group already has over 4,000 active members. Hey, here's my favorite fan. What's up, Moranos? Hey! So guys, I hope the hotel stay was good, but there really is no place like home. And we've been hard at work, but you guys 100% deserve it. So what do you say? Shall we go inside?
Yes!
Yes. All right. I may even have a couple surprises.
Are you kidding me? What? Oh my goodness.
Not bad, right?
Crazy? This is amazing! Oh my God! What? A gaming?
Full gaming computer.
What?
You could be gaming on that computer. You can be watching a show on there. You guys are going to be dialed in. So when we came here, Tiana, this was your office. You know, you were sharing it with your 4-year-old son. You were making do with what you had. That's why we're here, is because of how hard you work and who you are. So we wanted to give you an office that matched that. Get in there, bud.
Oh my God! This is like a showroom. I've never seen anything like this. Wow! And my degrees over there and everything. This new space is going to help me so that I can focus and not have to worry about things falling around me or a 4-year-old jumping on the bed behind me. It's really going to help.
Do you recognize these colors?
Long Island Nurses colors. They're
100%, 100%.
This is amazing. I feel like it's something I don't know, I'm standing in a room that you may have in your wildest dreams. The old office was cluttered, a mess, and the new office is beautiful, colorful. I think it's gonna take like a week or so just to look around and find those little things that you missed, but you just have to take it in piece by piece. It's a lot.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.